Hello, welcome back to another cooking episode with Chantal on a cooking vlog where we cook, make, serve, eat, and drink. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare barbecue slice fish. So if you're interested, make sure y'all stay tuned to see how I get this finishing look. So let's start cooking. So I went off camera and scaled the fish, and I also washed and dried them as well. It's always good to use lime or vinegar to do so, but because it was a task to like scale the fish, I never do them on camera. But you must scale the fish as well, and make sure you clean it up. Use a lot of vinegar and a lot of lime to get rid of it as well. So I have 3 different powder season. I have black pepper, all-purpose, I have fish season, and I also have some salt. So I'm just gonna use my finger to apply the season to the fish. To me, it worked way more better than just throwing it on it, because when you sprinkle on it and rub the season in the fish, you tend to taste it at the end of the meat preparation, because you want the meat to actually season properly. You want it to taste really nice. So I'm just going to go in individually, apply the season on both sides of the fish, and just massage them in it as well. So that's a real tip. When you season your fish, apply them individually instead of throwing them on the fish and stir it. So I'm done seasoning, so I'm just going to press these in the fridge to set for around 15 minutes and then come back for them. You can always take them off or you can let them stay. Well, for me, I let them stay in it. So after sauteing for a few minutes, I went ahead and add some water to my sauteed vegetables. You add the water based on how much is it that you want. I normally recommend not to add too much water, but if it's a case that you want adequate amount of gravy, you might add adequate water to it. So what I'm doing, I'm just stirring around the vegetables in the water, then I'm gonna let it boil for a few minutes before I come back to add the rest of seasoning and stuff to it. So I'm gonna add some cooking butter to it. It's normally nice when you add a little ounce of butter to your sauce. For me, I don't know if it's the same for you, but you can comment down below and let me know as well. And I'm going in with a next fresh pepper. You don't know, it's not recommended to cut the pepper, because when you cut the pepper, y'all know that that's gonna be a spicy barbecue fish that we're preparing here, but that's not what we're doing. So I'm using the Kraft barbecue sauce. I know it says chicken and ribs, but I don't know of them having a barbecue sauce for just fish, so I'm just gonna apply good amount of this one to the boiling water that is with the vegetables in it. So I'm just gonna gradually add. I can't put a measure to it because, as I said, it depends on how rich you want your sauce to be, so you add accordingly. So I'm just gonna let it saute, let it boil for a few minutes. I did went ahead and add some more powder season to the sauce, so that's how it's looking. The quality of my camera, for some weird reason, not giving you that rich look, so I'm gonna let it boil and then come back for it. This is how the sauce is looking after sauteing for a few more minutes, but it's still not thick to how I want it to be, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple more minutes and then come back, because I want my sauce to be thick, not thin, thick. So this is how the fishes were looking after I finished frying them. So yeah, so I already went. Let me know down below. Okay, bye guys. Y'all think that I was going to leave and not share some of my dinner with y'all, so go wash your hands and come back and have a bite. Like, this is a finishing look. It's served with some rice and peas, some lettuce, and some tomatoes. Y'all don't judge me for my gravy running down. I'm still learning to perfect my presentation when it comes on to servings, but definitely, guys, here's some of my dinner. Like, have some of my dinner. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share, tell a friend to come by and check out Shantana cooking blog where we cook, mix, serve, eat and drink. Bye.